Hey YouTube RV people, I wanted to show you some of this double-sided Roberts tape that I'm using to tape this carpet down with. It's the first time I've ever seen this. It kind of looks like a regular carpet tape, but it's a little different. I'm going to switch the camera around now. Okay, I'm inside my RV and I've done all this carpet throughout here. Some of it's black, some of it's blue, like these two pieces. Black and blue. It's just carpet pieces I had left over, and this piece here is different shapes because the walls are different, but got a little corner here. See that? So I'm going to take this tape and put it down here. I don't have anything to hold the camera with, but I'm going to cut this about like that. Excuse me, I'm going to black you out here for a second. See this? This really looks like carpet tape, but this is on both sides of this, and this is very sticky. So I'm going to put this underneath here, and we'll see how that goes. If I can, look at that. Camera's hanging off, it might fall off, my phone might fall off, but I'm going to get this get these both sides off of here, one side at a time. So I will get this off from here. I'll put my tape down here, just like if I was doing this with a hot iron. I'm going to pull this back, slip my tape underneath this one piece of carpet. Go ahead and put that down. Now I think they want you to pull the back off at this point, and that would help it stick to the floor itself. Wow, that's really sticky carpet tape. So if I put that back down, I'm keeping it squared off here, so it's stuck to the bottom. And I'm going to fold this piece back over. Oops, it's a little bit off. Maybe I could pull that forward just a little bit. I don't know, really sticky. Yep. Really, this is just one little corner, so I just really need to sneak this piece in here. There you go, that's pretty good. So now when you come in, this won't slide. It doesn't pick up. I guess I was going to pick that up so I could just throw the dirt out, but pretty good. I can see I got my camera upside down now, so I'll have to cut this and move it around. Okay, there we go, and that's what you got left. And I've got all this carpet. It's like this little piece is like this, moving around. This is seamed here. Little piece added here. There, a piece there, and this piece is it goes all the way to up there, and then I got one up there. So that's pretty good. Let me get this down and vacuum, then we'll see what it looks like. If you have some really long stretches, you don't have to put that down in one piece. You could do, you know, like 2 pieces there. And I'm going to put this one long piece back in place. After we get this, we'll put this one in place first. I don't know if I can videotape this. Getting my knob. Focusing on my knobs instead of my floor. I don't know how much of that you can see. I'm going to put this little piece in. Then we're going to put this one in. There you go. I could add a little piece to that. That'll be fine. This does come in like 15 foot. These are 15 feet long. That's a lot of. Well, I got some sticky stuff on top of that. That was probably from my hot iron. Well, I'll deal with that later. Now I'm going to go do these 2. And maybe one by the table there. I'll stop that from moving around. That was always inching out because of that foot thing there. A leg for the table. Got all my carpet in. Those little pieces all stuck in there. I got one at the door here so that doesn't come up. Get these seams. That does a pretty good job in it. It won't slide around. And I did the table so that won't slide. That was always sliding when you're trying to get up. So this looks pretty good, pretty nice. And I didn't have to use a hot iron in here. Of course, that wouldn't look good. So little RV's coming along real good. And I've got the new steps for it. I'm going to put that on tomorrow. So, thanks for watching. This is RV Jerry, ex-carpet layer, and that little that tape worked pretty good. Thanks for watching.